welcome to my channel. I am Novahu, your Greek teacher. Today we are going to learn declensions, masculine declensions ending in omicron and sigma. Second declension, nouns ending in omicron and sigma. So we are going to learn this. There are masculine nouns and feminine nouns and neuter. So these three are the nouns we see in Greek language also. So here I would like to introduce you first masculine nouns. In the masculine nouns, there is a declension: nominative, vocative, accusative, genitive and dative. So nominative always a subject, and vocative is always addressing. Accusative is direct object, and genitive is possessive case, and dative is indirect objective. So you have to by heart this: nominative, vocative, accusative, genitive, dative. Again we have singular and plural also. Here the common word that we are going to learn, first word is logos. Logos means a word. Here the stem is log, os is ending, log os, masculine ending. So that's what you have to remember, logos. Then loge, accusative is logon, then genitive logu, dative logo. So we have to by heart this: logos, a word; loge, o word; logon, a word. This is objective. Logo, of a word, and logo, to or for a word. Now we are going to learn plural. Stem will remain as it is. There is no change in stem. There is a change in endings. So log, logoi, logoi, logus, logon, logois. This is what? Logoi, logoi, logus, logon, logois. Logoi means words. Remember, there is no indefinite article in Greek language. There is no indefinite article, a, or, an. We do not have an indefinite article in Greek language. So here logoi means words. Logoi, o words. Logus, words, objective. Logon, of words. Logois, two or four words. So please by heart this, and this is very important. Important statement is there is no indefinite article in Greek language. Here I would like to give some of the vocabularies, and please by heart this, which is very important for you. This is two gamma sounds N. So angelos, ending with os, angelos. Messenger or angel, angelos. Agros, field. Adelphos, brother. Anthropos, man. So angelos, messenger. Agros, field. Adelphos, brother. Anthropos, man. These are the few vocabularies here I give you. Please by heart them, and if you want more vocabularies, please find out from your Greek textbook or WhatsApp me. I will send the notes to you. Thank you. Please subscribe this channel, introduce to your friends. Thank you.